What's going on, everybody? Pup Wall Street back here. Wanted to go over my 3 trade ideas. Basically, every morning I put 1 to 2 trade ideas out to my group and to my members. And so I wanted to take you through this week's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday calls. Here's Monday's call on Unity, 30-minute chart, entry at 184.70. Here's your targets up above. We had a MACD crossover and a squeeze setting up. Yesterday was Rocket Labs. That didn't trigger yesterday. It actually triggered this morning. So this was a really nice call, paying very nicely. We had a squeeze setting up here on the daily. We also have a squeeze setting up here on the 30-minute. And last call for today, shout out to Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends, put this on my radar 2 days ago. So this is MP Materials, daily chart entry at 45.37, currently trading at $47. So we did get that trigger. Earnings isn't until next year. So yeah, I mean, if you want to join my group, this is it. Basically, Pup University. It is a trading educational platform. You just scroll down, you go to the technical analyst or technical analysis class, and you can see scrolling down, it's got all the curriculum there. It's not really terribly expensive, about $26 a month. I also have an annual plan. I have an annual executive plan, which includes coaching calls and my Fibonacci course, and I have limited seats left on my all-time plan. So feel free to check it out. I do technical analysis classes every other week. I do a long weekend review video getting you prepared for the trading week. And I also do my trade ideas as I just showed you. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to learn some more, feel free to DM me on Twitter. It's at the Pup of Wall Street, and look forward to speaking with you.